Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SwiftKey autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general settings, then go to the language and keyboard, LG keyboard, autocorrection. And here you can switch autocorrection for different languages which you have on your device. So yeah, you have mild autocorrection, you have aggressive autocorrection, and you can just turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.